Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Unique Vlogs. This time we are at a beautiful waterfall known as Sathodi Waterfalls, located at Yellapur district of Karnataka. Chalo, let's go near to waterfall and enjoy the mesmerizing view of this waterfall. See, these ramps have been made. Okay, usually you'll not have these ramps. We have to walk through the stones only. I guess there is a shooting going on, so that's why they have put up this ramp. Okay, let's go very near and close to this waterfall. See, kids are playing aside. There's a small pond kind of thing they are playing over, I guess. Let's go near to the waterfall and enjoy this beauty. So, and guys, whenever you're going to any of the waterfalls, you have to be very careful while walking through stones or walking on stones. Why? Because the stones will be very slippery due to waterfall, continuous water on the stones. These stones might become very slippery, so you have to be very careful. Look at people enjoying the place. Let's go little bit near. Oh my God! See how beautiful it is. Isn't it look like Bahubali waterfalls? Right? I guess they might have shooted over here, but it's very beautiful. Look at the slow-mo which I took. I hope you love the video, love the location. Okay, next time when you're going to Karnataka, you try to visit this place, Yellapur Sathodi Waterfalls, Yellapur. I'll put it down in description, you can go through it. Hope you like this video. Please, if you like the video, please do subscribe and like my channel. We'll come up with more places like this, more beautiful places like this in next videos.